Buckle up, hey gearheads and adventure seekers. Get ready to drool, because we're about to dive into the beast that is the all-new 2025 Fiat Fullback. This isn't your average pickup truck, folks. It's a fusion of Italian flair and rugged power, designed to conquer the city streets and dominate off-road trails with equal aplomb. Forget the boxy trucks of yesteryear. The Fullback boasts a complete redesign, shedding its camouflage and emerging with a look that screams pure Fiat. Imagine a muscular stance, accentuated by a prominent Fiat logo and sharp headlights. It's like a gladiator dipped in chrome, ready to turn heads wherever it goes. Leaked images suggest a true head-turner, a truck that isn't afraid to get dirty while maintaining an air of sophisticated Italian style. While official details are still under wraps, rumors point to a range of engine options that'll have every kind of driver grinning. For the efficiency-minded, there's talk of a fuel-efficient, turbocharged gasoline engine, perfect for conquering your daily commute. But for those who crave adventure, whispers of a larger V6 option hint at serious power for hauling heavy loads or tackling tough terrain. The days of sacrificing comfort for capability are over. The Fullback's interior is expected to be a haven, blending functionality with modern amenities. Think comfortable seating, easy-to-reach controls, and a cutting-edge infotainment system to keep you connected and entertained on any journey. While pricing remains unconfirmed, experts predict the Fullback will land in the mid to high $30,000 range, making it a seriously competitive contender in the mid-sized truck segment. This Italian stallion might just be the most affordable and feature-packed pickup on the market. The official release date is still under wraps, but rumors suggest a late 2024 or early 2025 launch. So stay tuned, gearheads, because the wait for the 2025 Fiat Fullback is almost over. Don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel for more amazing and new all 2025 car contents.